In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on a WordPress page or post. This is a handy skill whether you're sharing reports, ebooks, or any other document on your website. So let's dive right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. To begin with, head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy for you to find. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page with various login options. Here's a quick tip: you can log in using your Google account for faster access. Just select Continue with Google and then choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step will be even faster. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Posts section. If you're already familiar with your WordPress dashboard, this should be a breeze. Think of the Post section as your command center. It's where all the magic happens. This is where you can open an existing post or create a new one, whichever suits your needs. Next, find the post you wish to edit and click on Edit. If you're creating a new post, simply start a new draft. At the top left, you'll see an option that says Add. This is what you'll click to bring new elements into your post, including the PDF file you want to share with your audience. In the search box that appears, type in the word file. Typing file in the search bar filters the options, helping you locate the right feature without having to scroll through countless blocks. Once it appears, just click on it. This action opens up a file selector interface, which is a portal to your computer's directory. Now comes the pivotal step. Browse through your files and select the PDF you want to embed. Remember, having your PDF ready in a location you can quickly access will save you some valuable time. Once you've selected your file, it will be embedded into your WordPress post with ease. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a PDF onto your WordPress page or post. Before you sign off, preview your post to ensure everything appears as it should. This step is crucial to verify that your PDF is displayed correctly and accessible to your audience. When you're satisfied, go ahead and publish your post. Embedding a PDF on WordPress is not only an efficient way to share information, but also enhances the engagement on your site. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Have a great day.